Here's a 2019 Ram 1500. It offers a legendary hauling and towing capability, sophisticated comfort with work-ready durability. It comes with all the amenities you need. V8 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, active grille shutters, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, automated parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Reputations aren't given, they're earned. At the end of our testing, the decision was unanimous. Hands down, the Ram ran away with this Truck of the Year award. Engineered to get things done. Engineered to be a Ram. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.